Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. So today's video is just going to be a quick unboxing and swatching of this new set of Marie's 168 colored pencils. If you missed it, I did do a review on a smaller set of these, a 72 set, and I'll put the card in for that if you haven't seen it yet. I know Jamie from Jamie Loves Coloring got these as well. She did a video on this 168 set, and I think she does some coloring in a Johanna Basford book with them. If you want to check that out, I'll put her in the description, the link to her video if you've missed that one too. So, because I don't really see too many people talking about these, so kind of try and get as many perspectives on these as possible. I like them. I think they're pretty good. I just did some coloring with the 72 set in my last video. I did this flower. We did this flower in real time and listened to a little bit of Britney Spears's new audiobook. I'll put that in the description as well if you want to check that out. And then when I initially did the 72 set review, I did a little bit of coloring in this Anastasia Koldareva book, Mysteria. I liked how they worked. I thought they worked really nicely in these books. If you're looking for pencils to use because I know a lot of people do have troubles finding good pencils to work on this paper. It's a little bit funky, this paper sometimes, but I thought they worked nicely in this book. So we're going to just open them up and see what they look like, what the extra colors look like. I do have to find my swatch from the 72 set so we can compare afterwards. But I do like this box is a lot better than this box I got with the 72 set. I had a really hard time getting the pencils out of that box. This is a nice cardboard box. Or maybe it's not. Oh, look, it looks like it's supposed to be glued shut here. It's kind of coming apart. Uh-oh. I'm not going to leave it in this box, most likely, anyway. The box is a little bit damaged, actually. The ends are kind of squished. This had plastic wrap around it. Shrink wrap. Yeah, shrink wrap. I couldn't think of what it was called. Shrink wrap around it, and then it was packaged in the other package on top of that inside of the Temu package. Did I mention that I got these from Temu? Yeah, I got these from Temu. I got the 72 set from Temu. I am a Temu affiliate, but I actually purchased these with my own money. I didn't get these as part of any affiliate program. I think one of these trays might have been broken too. There's like a little piece of plastic in here, so probably one of these trays maybe broke. I do really like that they come in these trays. I thought it was a nice, makes them look a little bit more classy, I guess is the word I'm looking for. A little more upgraded level of style a little bit. Oh, you can see here, must be where it broke. The pencil is broken a little bit here. Let's just take a quick look through them. I was excited that they came out with a bigger set because, you know, I love to have all the colors. Are we not getting everything in the frame here? It's hard for me to tell. I do love to have all the colors, full set syndrome and everything. So these look like they got something on them, like paint splatter or something. Hopefully that's what it is, not something gross, but that's what it looks like maybe a paint splatter from another colored pencil or something. These do seem like they were definitely jostled around quite a bit, probably in shipping. That is kind of a pet peeve of mine when getting stuff from Temu, because they just put them in those plastic bags usually, even though it did seem like it was securely wrapped and everything. But it's kind of the cost of getting stuff for so cheap that the packaging's not going to be the best. But we're going to swatch these out. 168 colors, so it's almost like, what is that, like 96 more colors than the 72 set. I did say I thought that 72 set was a really nicely balanced color palette for 72 pencils. So I'm actually glad I waited and didn't get the 120 set at first, because then I think I probably wouldn't have gotten this 168 set if I did get the 120 set. But since I only got the 72 set, I was like, let's get the 168 set and see what the colors look like. I had a coupon. I think these run about $48 and some change, sometimes a little bit cheaper on Temu. And I got them for about $34, $35 with the coupon. So I was like, oh, definitely got to have them. Definitely got to show them to you guys. I think you could tell from the swatch chart on the side of the box here that it was originally 120 colors. Then they added the additional colors in between here because it's not in consecutive order anymore. It looks like it was 120 colors, and then they added the additional 48 colors dispersed into the color palette. See if we really need all these extra colors. We're gonna see how, if they're really close or if they're really that great that we need to get the bigger set. Okay guys, so we're back from our swatches. This actually ended up becoming a bigger project than I originally intended it to be. I was just thinking I was gonna unbox these and swatch these really quick, but I was looking for a swatch chart to use to swatch these out, and it was difficult to find one because, you know, can't find one for 168 pencils. So I decided, let me make one up in Canva. And then I was like, oh, let me try and translate some of these color names, because there's the color names on the side of the box in Chinese. So they're on the box, just like the other set we reviewed, the 72 set. Those had names on the box, but not the pencils. The pencils just have numbers. I had translated this in the previous video, and it turns out this just says something about it being a colored pencil. It's not a color name or anything. So I have read that Google Translate is about only 57% accurate. It was a little bit difficult. What I did was I put the color name on the top here, and my intentions probably not right now because I have some other videos I want to get done soon. So when I have time, I left this space blank, and I want to try and make my own color names for all of these colors. The translated name on the top kind of just gives me a little bit of a guideline to work from. And plus I hadn't swatched them yet, so I didn't know what the colors really looked like, so now I have a better idea. So that is on my to-do list, to give these color names. I did highlight the colors that were extra added into the 120 set in between, and it looks like to me a lot of yellows were added. We have these yellows extra here, all of these kind of yellowish greens in here too. If you know me, green's not my favorite color. I do like yellow a lot, so it really kind of depends on you if you think you need these extra colors. Not a lot of pinks. Not too many pinks at all, actually. There's only these few, really. I guess you could kind of count these in here, but they're a little bit more red leaning, if you ask me. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think they're worth getting if you already have the 120 set? I kind of don't think so. These aren't any kind of unusual colors that you couldn't find in one of your other sets, in my opinion. But if you could get them for a good deal, I would pick them up if you like them. If you've already tried them and you like them, or if you haven't tried them yet, definitely get the biggest set they have, because then you're gonna have pencil FOMO for sure, like me. But of course, it's up to you. I like to say, don't let anyone rain on your colored pencil parade. If you feel like you want to have all the colors, get them. I just wanted to do this video so we can see what the colors look like, and you guys can decide for yourself. I did see them on Amazon at some point, like a while ago when I was doing the research for the original video, but I don't see them up anymore. So I don't know if they'll ever hit Amazon again or what. This 168 set came out like March of 2023, so this is pretty new. You can also get it if you don't like Temu. I know a lot of people don't like Temu. I think you can also get them on AliExpress. I don't know if they have the 168 piece up there on AliExpress, but I do know that they have the 120 set. Yeah, so I think that's all we have to talk about today on these pencils. Like I said, I do have a full review on these already, so if you want a little bit more in depth on these pencils, definitely check that video out. And if you have any questions, of course, you can always message me or leave me a comment down below. So I hope you guys all have a really great rest of your day. Happy coloring, and I'll see you next time.